Hi, my name is Nick Hayes from Digital Yacht, and I'm here today to tell you about our latest product, a product called BOATraNET. Sounds a bit like boat intranet, and you'd be absolutely right. In fact, it's the world's first onboard wireless server. So what does it do? Well, it allows you to connect your existing marine electronic systems that are on board the boat, traditional chart plotters, NMEA type devices, instruments, GPS and so on, and make all the data that they produce available to any mobile type device like an iPhone, iPad, Android type device, or even a PC or a Mac. Because BOATraNET creates its own little hotspot on board your boat. So it creates its own little Wi-Fi hotspot that you then log onto. Of course, there's no need to connect to the internet, but it allows any of the mobile devices that you've got on board your boat to view all that data. Now, there's lots of applications there. Firstly, it's not dependent on any software to download. You simply hook onto the wireless access point with your mobile device and then open up the page, BOATraNET. No connection to www, just BOATraNET, and you'll be presented with the home page like this. So it's really quite a future-thinking product for your boat. The idea of BOATraNET is to connect to your existing systems that are on board the boat. So it's additional to your existing systems, whether they're Garmin, Raymarine, Furuno, Standard, whatever. You connect the NMEA output from those systems into BOATraNET, and it then makes that data wirelessly available with its own unique method of displaying that data. But it does a lot more too. First of all, let's take a quick look at the hardware. We're going to divide this video up into three parts. Part one, which we're doing now, is just on the hardware and how it all fits together, so it gives you a good idea of BOATraNET's applications. So this is BOATraNET, really compact box. It's about 30 centimeters long, 22 centimeters wide, and about 6 centimeters high. And it's a wireless server for your boat. Runs directly on 12 or 24 volts DC and consumes less than 20 watts. So power consumption is absolutely minimal, just over an amp at 12 volts DC. You'll see the Wi-Fi antenna here. It creates a wireless private network on board your boat, which is password protected, so that anybody with a mobile device like an Android, an iPhone, iPad, Mac or PC who's on board your boat can access BOATraNET and view its data. Installing it couldn't be easier. You simply mount it down below in a dryish locker. It's fully marinized and so on, but not waterproof. Connect to 12 volts DC and away you go. It's that simple. BOATraNET is designed for reliability. It uses a fanless Intel processor, so there's no fans to go wrong. And of course, there's a solid state disk drive inside, and it uses an embedded web server type operating system in order to dole up the information. So installing BOATraNET is simple. Getting it set up is simple, and it features two NMEA interfaces as standard, so you can connect up to two onboard systems with the option to add another two if necessary. Alternatively, you can add an external multiplexer, and for the future we'll have an NMEA 2000 version as well. So that's the hardware side of things. What I'd now like to do is take a look at the information that you get on BOATraNET.